Okay, guys, today we're going to do the distance formula. So in your notes, copy the objective. I can find the shortest distance between 2 points using the distance formula. So the distance formula is one big square root. And inside the square root, or the radical, we have x1 minus x2 squared plus y1 minus y2 squared. This looks really scary, but it really isn't. This right here, this is the difference in the x's. So this is the difference going left and right because our x-axis goes left and right. This is the difference, and I'm going to abbreviate difference as DIF, going up and down. Okay, we're going to do the same steps as before, and we're going to write those down just in shorthand. Our first step is going to be identify hypotenuse and legs. Our second step is going to be to calculate hypotenuse and legs. I abbreviated hypotenuse and calculate. And our third step is going to be use the distance formula. This looks scary, but it is not scary at all. Okay, so you need to copy this objective down. I know it's a lot, and copy down these 3 steps. So we're going to identify hypotenuse and legs. We're going to calculate the hypotenuse and leg. Actually, we're going to calculate the legs, then the hypotenuse, and then we're going to use the distance formula.